Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to find supremum of S, infimum of S, and minimum of S, where S is some function given here. So I have taken this first question where we will find minimum of S, which is S is the function. And second question we will find prove that infimum of S of this is the set S, infimum of set S is equal to 1. And third question we will be doing prove that supremum of S equal to 4. So let's do first question. So let S be the set defined as follows. S equal to, this is the set which is 4n over n plus 3 such that n belong to natural number. And based on this set, the first question is, does minimum of S exist? And if it exists, state its value. We have to state the value of this. So let's find it out. So S is the set here, S equal to 4n over n plus 3, where n is natural numbers, which is natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Countable number are a natural number. Let's open this set and find all the value of S here. So S is equal to, substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. When you substitute 1 here, you will find first value 1. When you substitute 2, 4 to 8 over 2 plus 3, 5, 8 over 5, you will get 1.6. And then if you substitute 3 multiplied by 4, 12, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 multiplied by 2 will be 2. So third element will be 2. And then after this, you will substitute 4, you will get 2.2857 and dot, 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 dot. And then next number we will get 2.5. And this way, we will get all the numbers. So clearly you can see first number is 1. After that, second number will be greater than 1, which is 1.6. Third number is greater than 1.6, which is 2. Fourth number is greater than 2, which is 2.2857. And this is decimal number. And then next one is 2.5. Clearly all the numbers are greater than 1. So each number is greater than its previous number. So here we can see that 1 is minimum number here. Every number is greater than 1. So we can say that minimum of S exists here. So we can say that minimum of set S exists and its value is 1. Let's do the second part of the question. Here we have to prove that infimum of set S equal to 1. I have already uploaded a video of supremum of and infimum of a set. Please go and watch that video so that you can understand clearly what is infimum and supremum. I will give the link in description, so you can find from there. So infimum of, what is infimum of S? Infimum of S is also called GLB. Infimum of S also called a GLB. It means greatest lower bound. Another name of infimum of S. Also called, this is greatest lower bound and infimum of S. We say that. So our function, write down the function first. So 4n over n plus 3. This is the function, and where n is belong to natural number. Let's open this function first. And what element we found here? 1, 1.6 from the previous question, 2, 2.2857 dot, 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 2.5. And this way it will go till infinity. We don't know where it will go. Try to plot these numbers on number line, and then I'll explain you what is infimum of S here. And we have to prove that infimum of S is equal to 1. So let's take it here. Here I'm going to take 1, and here let's 2, let's 3, and then 4, and then this will go. So this first number is 1. Clearly you know that this is 1. And the second number is 1.6. Here it will be 1.5. So somewhere here, this one will be 1.6. And then this is 2. Then 2.2. Here it will be somewhere 2.5. Then 2.1 is here. 2.2857 dot 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 will be here. And this way, these numbers are here. So what we can see here, a set of S is here. Set of S is great. All the element of S is greater than or equal to 1 for all and belong to natural number. And what we can see here, if you find here, this first one is S1, this first one is S2, this is S3, this is S4, and this is S5. Try to find out S1000. In place of N, substitute S1000. What you will find out here? You will find out 4000 over 1003, and if you can calculate it, you will get 3.98803. And if you want to calculate, find out S2000. In place of N, substitute 2000, and you will get 8000 over 2003. And if you will calculate it, 3.9940. What we can see, these element of S is tending towards 4. Tending towards 4. So 1 is the element here, and every element is here greater than or equal to 1. So we can say that here, we can say that infimum of S is 1 here. So we don't know whether all number is, this is the greatest lower bound of this set S. This is the greatest lower bound of this set S. So, so here we can say that infimum of S is equal to 1 here. And greatest, this is also called greatest lower bound. It means this is the smallest element of, this is smallest element of all the element in the set. This is smallest of all. Smallest of all. And in some set you can find that some number below this one, some number of maybe so many numbers below this one, so that you can say that in all the smallest number, this will be the greatest lower bound. So you can also say in all the smallest number, smallest so whatever lower bound will be here, so 1 will be the, you can say that whatever lower bounds are here, 1 will be, 1 is the greatest of all lower bound. 1 is the greatest of all lower bounds. So infimum of S is here 1. Sometimes in any set infimum of S, infimum of some set S, or supremum of some set S may or may not belong. May or may not belong to. May or may not belong to. But here 1 is the infimum of S is here. It is belong to this set. So we can say that lower bound of this, also this is your lower bound. If another question arises here, what is lower bound of this set? So you can say that 1 is the lower bound of this set. So infimum of set here, we proved here infimum of set is 1. Now next question we are going to do, prove that supremum of S is equal to 1 here. 4. Supremum of S we are going to prove 4. So supremum of S is also called least upper bound. Least upper bound, LUB, mean smallest of all upper bounds. You can also say smallest of all upper bound. Let's write down the first function here. Function was 4n over n plus 3, where n belong to natural number. Let's open the function here, set here. So I'm going to write it down S1. So as you saw the previous question, S1000 is something 3 point something, S2000 was also 3 point something. So I'm not going to write first element, second element. I'm going to take S1 first element, then I'm going to take S10, then S100 and S500 and then S5000. And this way we will open the set. So first element S1, when you substitute n equal to 1, you will get 1. When you substitute n equal to 10, you will get 3.07. And when you substitute n equal to 100, you will get 3.8834 ... And then when you substitute 500, you will get 3.97. Here some number are also after S10. Okay, let's clear out here. So clear with this one. After S1, some number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, then S10. So that 3.07. Then 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, some number will be here. And then S100 is 3.8834 ... Then S101, S102, some number is here. And then S500, we will have 3.9761 ... Then 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, some number will be there. And then we will have S5000. S5000 will be 3.99760 ... And this way we will tend somewhere here 4, and then after that some other number will be there. Okay. If you try to put it in the number line, try to plot it in the number line here. So let's plot it in the number line. This is the element of S here. Okay. And then let's take here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. I don't know where it will go. So here this one is, so this is 3. So S10 is 3.07. So here S10, this is 3.07. And what is this? This is S10. And somewhere here, here I got here S100. 3.88, some here it will be 3.5, 6, 7, 8, somewhere here 3.8834, and this is your S100. Okay, and then I got here S500, 3.9, somewhere here 3.9, this is S500, and here somewhere here 99, somewhere here S5000. Can you see? It is tending towards 4. Tending towards 4. It will be 4 point somewhere here, but all the numbers are more numbers here. This is also called neighborhood points. I have uploaded a video on neighborhood points in real analysis. You can find that video and understand. So this 4 is called the supremum of S. So this is maximum element of set S is equal to 4. So this 4 is least. All the upper bounds will be there. All the upper bounds will be there. But this is the least of all upper bound. That's why this is called least upper bound, least LUB, or you can say that supremum of S. Okay, so 4 is also here upper bound of S as well. The number greater than all the number greater than 4 are all upper bounds, and this 4 is smallest of all upper bound. So we proved here supremum of S is equal to 4. This is the answer of this question.